Happy twilight. Speaking kind of softly because voices travel on the lake so easily, and this is a private conversation. You know, this is a peaceful setting, and there is a lot to be thankful for in terms of the ability to appreciate nature. And that is exactly what I'm doing now. So I'm hoping that everyone has the opportunity to incorporate nature into their lifestyle beyond the chitter chatter and weight, the heaviness of life in general. I did have some success here on the lake. I did catch a bluegill fish. I caught one yesterday also, but I put it back. I did a catch and release instead of the catch and grease. But tonight it's catch and grease. So yeah, it's a beautiful twilight here at Jackie. You know, this is the second time I've said this tonight. There's nothing about Jackie Robinson in this lake. It's Booker T. Washington State Park. But it's almost twilight, almost time to go. Trying to blow a mosquito off me right now. But this is just one of those times to be appreciative of nature, and that's what I'm sharing with you at this point. I hope you're enjoying your day, weighing out all possibilities, and letting that equal sign go towards harmony with self, your surroundings, nature. Race analyst, PhD, proving hate and degradation, signing off with a wish for peace and tranquility. That was a finger.